Welcome to Amusing Learn. Get ready to dive into a world of interesting, random facts with the Random Facts series. Facts 1. In 2021, paleontologists around the world made a groundbreaking discovery. They found a new species of dinosaur. This dinosaur is unique in many ways. It has an unusually long neck, allowing it to reach leaves on tall trees. On its back, it has long and pointed spines that can be up to 2 feet long. The discovery of this new species is remarkable since new dinosaur finds are rare and exciting. Scientists are currently conducting further research to determine more information about this creature, such as what it ate, where it lived, and how big it was. There is still much more to learn about this fascinating species. This find marks yet another incredible fossil discovery from 2021, and will no doubt provide us with more insight into the ancient world of dinosaurs. Every day scientists are learning more about these creatures that roamed our planet millions of years ago. Truly an amazing fact. Facts 2. It's a fact, cockroaches taste through their feet. You might think that is pretty strange, but it's true. They have tiny hairs on their feet known as tarsal sensilla, which are sensitive to different tastes and smells. This means that when a cockroach walks across something, it can actually taste it just by using its feet. This also helps the cockroach understand what food is safe, and what isn't. As they don't have mouths to chew or taste things with, this is the best way for them to know whether something is good to eat or not. Amazingly, scientists have even discovered that if one of these tarsal sensilla gets damaged, the cockroach will learn to avoid that particular taste or smell in future. So now you know, cockroaches really do use their feet as taste buds. It's an incredible adaptation that helps them survive in all kinds of environments. Who knew? Facts 3. Did you know that, throughout your lifetime, you will shed and regrow your skin around 1,000 times? That's right, your skin is constantly cycling and renewing itself, usually about once every 27 days. It's an amazing process that most of us don't even think about. If you live to be 70 years old, this means you will have gone through the cycle of shedding and regrowing your skin roughly 1,000 times during that time. Wow, that's a lot of skins. Can you imagine how different each of those skins must be? Each one is completely unique, just like our fingerprints are. It's incredible to think that something as basic as our skin can go through so many changes in such a short amount of time. We often take it for granted, but it's a remarkable fact, and a reminder to take good care of our bodies. Facts 4. It's so amazing to think about. A comet's nucleus is the very center of the celestial body, and it holds some fascinating facts. Did you know that? A comet's nucleus can be anywhere from few kilometers in diameter to several tens of kilometers in size. It also contains mostly frozen water, along with other gases like carbon dioxide, ammonia, and methane. The surface of a comet's nucleus is generally dark and dusty, but sometimes it can appear very bright due to jets of gas or dust that escape its surface when it comes close to the sun. These jets are called outbursts or cometary activity. It's so wondrous to think that we can see these outbursts from Earth. Fascinatingly enough, comets travel around our solar system at speeds of up to 500,000 miles per hour. Now that's fast. All this goes to show just how unique and mysterious these cosmic bodies are. Facts 5. It's an amazing fact that Domino's pizza co-founder, Tom Monahan, once traded his shares for a Volkswagen. He had a vision for what Domino's could become and was willing to make a big gamble. Monahan took the risk in 1960 when he purchased the small pizza store in Ypsilanti, Michigan. At the time, it was run by brothers James and Tom Monahan, and they decided to split their share of the business, with Tom purchasing James' half. To buy out his brother's share of Domino's, Tom traded his brother his beloved VW Beetle. It certainly paid off, as just over 10 years later, after several successful decisions and hard work on behalf of Tom Monahan, there were more than 1,000 Domino's locations worldwide. What an incredible outcome from such a brave move, all thanks to that trusty old VW Beetle. That concludes today's broadcast. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to give us a like and hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our informative content.